Testgelände sind, kannst du auch mal richtig durchladen. Ja.
BMW is gearing up to introduce a fully electric version of its legendary M3 performance sedan later this year. In the lead-up to the big reveal, the company has been sharing short videos documenting the vehicle's development process, featuring insights from its engineering team. The most recent teaser showcases something many have been curious about: how the electric M3 will sound. The latest video, released on Wednesday, highlights BMW's efforts in refining the chassis dynamics of the electric M3. The team takes the vehicle to a private test center in Arjeplog, Sweden, located within the Arctic Circle. This cold weather testing facility provides the perfect environment for fine-tuning performance and handling under extreme conditions. Near the end of the video, the engineers take the car for an acceleration test, giving viewers a chance to hear the artificial exhaust sounds for the first time.
Wenn sie auf dem Testgelände sind, kannst du auch mal richtig durchladen. Ja.
The synthesized noise is designed to mimic a high-revving straight-six engine, which is fitting considering BMW's long-standing tradition with that engine configuration. The short clip does not reveal how the sound evolves at higher speeds, leaving room for speculation about whether different sound profiles or intensities could be introduced as the vehicle gains momentum. There is also a strong possibility that BMW will implement simulated gear shifts, similar to what Hyundai has done with the Ioniq 5N. Last year, BMW's M division confirmed its intent to incorporate artificial gearing in its electric models. If you watch closely, the driver in the teaser video appears to reach for a paddle on the steering wheel just before the clip ends, further hinting at the inclusion of simulated shifts. For some enthusiasts, an electric M3 might feel like a departure from tradition, but adding features like fake gears could make the experience more engaging. The Hyundai Ioniq 5N has won over many fans with its paddle-shifted, simulated 8-speed transmission. Meanwhile, other performance-oriented electric vehicles, such as the new Dodge Charger, rely on artificial engine sounds but do not include simulated gears, which some believe takes away from the driving experience. With BMW releasing multiple teaser videos since December, more details will likely emerge before the official debut. The real question is whether artificial gear shifts and engine sounds will be enough to make the electric M3 feel as thrilling as its gasoline-powered predecessors.